It's been an incredible day here at GRR. Truly a historic broadcast. But like all good things, this too must come to an end. And it's coming to an end right now. I'd like to thank my co-anchor, Juliet, for her uncharacteristically fine work this evening. I'd like to thank Rusty for not keeling over during the broadcast. I'd like to thank Eartha and Nipsey for their astoundingly erudite commentary. Wouldn't have been the same without you. And of course we thank you, our loyal viewers, for continuing to tune in. Keep those cards and letters coming. For all of us at GRR, this is Woodchuck Trouble saying good... What? Oh, come on now, you can't be serious. I'm a respected journalist. This is... Fine. As we come to the end of our broadcast, I hope you'll rise with me and the rest of the GRR News team to sing the GRR News Anthem. When you don't know the score, we'll tell you what's in store. GRR News. No matter where you are, Boise or Zanzibar, tune in to GRR News on the Hoof. If you are left confused by other TV news, we raise the bar. No angry manatees shouting profanities. Stop the insanity. Try GRR.